serves all people and all activities, meaning activities in the real world, online, combined, and also together with things. Connedo thinks big on a small scale. Out of a report, in the future, virtual walking will replace real walking when that is no longer possible for health reasons. Speaking about reports, current studies all point in the same direction. The shift between affiliation and individuality is crucial. Digitization plays a major role. Activities are becoming increasingly important. Institutions tend to lose significance. The reports organize these activities into areas of life and fields of action: living, mobility, social space. The key to the change between proximity and distance lies in project-based togetherness. The demands on information technology are comprehensive, multi-layered, challenging. A single activity, it belongs to many things outside: people, places, time. And much outside is related to other activities, services, tasks, events. Connedo is personal, adaptive, expandable. New users are constantly being added, new needs arise, new apps are integrated. The interrelationships are complex. But how does the user experience this? He sees exactly his activities, according to his needs, at his place, at the right time. Connedo is the social network for his activities. He or she registers or not, joins a group or not, calls for an activity or leaves it. And just like that, the coffee machine repairs itself almost on its own.